Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope everybody is well and safe at home by the grace of Almighty Allah. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. It is Shabrin Shupriti, lecturer, Department of Biology. Today is your first general science class. Milestone College is conducting online based learning activities for the purpose of your studying profile. Today I will discuss some topics from chapter 1. Chapter 1 is Healthy Life, Better Living. Okay, let's get started. Dear students, welcome again to Science Online class. Our today's chapter is chapter 1, Healthy Life, Better Living. Our today's topics are food and nutrition, elements of food, carbohydrates, proteins, fats and lipid. Let's see what is food. The edible items which can produce energy and immunity and help to grow and develop a living body by its nutrition are called food. What is nutrition? Nutrition is getting necessary food item from the environment and digesting and then fulfillment of energy need, developing the immunity of disease and growth of the body. The organic and inorganic elements in food which provide the vital force of the living body are collectively called the nutrients. Example, glucose, minerals and vitamins, etc. Nutrients do not need to be digested. Living beings get nutrients from food. Functions of food. There are three main functions of food. Number 1, growth and development, repair and protection of the body. Number 2, production of heat and energy. Number 3, protecting the body from disease and making the body healthy, energetic and active. Elements of food. There are 6 components of food: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Among them, carbohydrates, proteins and fats are nutrients. These help the body to produce nutrition, ensure development and give energy. Fats and carbohydrates are called the energy producing foods and proteins are called the body building foods. Vitamins, minerals and water are called the protecting elements because these protect the body from disease. Components of food. Main components are carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and supplementary components are vitamins, minerals and water. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main food for human beings. It is formed by carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. There are 2 sources, plant sources and animal sources of carbohydrates. Plant sources: starch, rice, wheat, potato, aram; glucose, grapes, apple, carrots, dates; fructose, mango, papaya, banana, orange, honey. This is called fruit sugar. Sucrose, sugarcane, sugar, molasses and sugar candy; cellulose, wood apple, mango, banana, watermelon, groundnut, dry fruit and all kinds of vegetables. Animal source: lactose or milk sugar, milk of cows, goats and other animals; glycogen, meat and liver of birds like chicken, pigeon, etc. There we can see a chart of food sources of carbohydrates. Plant sources are grains, vegetables, sugar, fruits, and animal source is milk. Okay, nutritional value. Carbohydrates produces energy and heat in body. During respiration, carbohydrate is oxidized and produces energy for metabolism. Glycogen provides energy in deficiency of food or in hard labor. Cellulose protects the body from constipation. Besides, protein and fats are synthesized from carbohydrates. To get rid of the deficiency disease of sugar, we have to take an optimum amount of sugar every day. On the other hand, if the amount of sugar is more than the need, extra fat is accumulated as fat cell in the body. It may cause obesity and diabetes. Red blood cells of body carry oxygen to the cells of our body, and there it reacts with glucose to produce heat energy. This heat energy is the source of all our energies. The energy in food is measured as food calories or kilocalories. The amount of heat energy produced by the oxidation of 1 gram of food is called the food calorie. The amount of energy to increase 1 degree Celsius temperature of 1 gram water is called 1 calorie. 1000 calorie is equal to 1 kilocalorie or 1 food calorie. Food calorie is expressed in kilocalorie. The calorie of carbohydrates and protein is almost equal 4 kilocalorie per gram, while fat has the highest amount of calorie, that is 9 kilocalorie per gram. An adult male person needs to eat food equal to 2500 kilocalorie per day, and for a woman this figure is 2000 kilocalorie per gram. Proteins. A protein is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. There is 16% nitrogen in protein. A protein is identified by its amino acid. 20 types of amino acid have been found so far in the human body. Amino acids are the units of protein formation. A protein is converted into an amino acid after digestion. 8 out of a total of 20 amino acids are essential. These are lysine, tryptophan, methionine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, phenylalanine and threonine. Body can synthesize the other amino acids except these 8 types. Now we can see animal protein and plant protein. Fish, meat, egg, milk, cheese, etc. are the source of animal protein, and pulse, beans, seeds, peanuts, etc. are the source of plant proteins. There we can see plant-based protein and animal-based protein. Nutritional value of protein. Proteins are essential for the building of animal body. Most of the parts of the body are formed by protein. Bone, muscle, hair, bird feather, nail, animal horns, etc. are made by protein. 5% of dry weight of an animal cell is protein because the structure and function of a cell is regulated by protein. Now we can see what is fats and lipid. Fats are composed of fatty acids or glycerol. There are 20 types of fatty acid in food. Solid lipids are called fats. Lipids are saturated fatty acids. They are solid at normal temperature. Example, the fats of fish and meat. The lipids, which are liquids at normal temperature, are called oils. Oils are unsaturated fatty acid. Lipids are of 2 types according to their sources: animal lipids and plant lipids. Animal lipids, meat with fat, butter, ghee, cheese, yolk of eggs are the sources of animal fat. Plant lipid, mustard, soybean, sesame, linseed, maize, coconut, sunflower, palm oil are the plant lipids. Role of lipid. Lipid is the highest source of heat and energy in the body. Lipid is essential for growth and nutrition of the body. It prevents the misuse of heat and works as a source of food storage for the future. It keeps the skin smooth, soft and healthy. Lipid helps to absorb the soluble vitamins, example A, D, E and K. Disease resulting from lipid deficiency and its remedies. The deficiency of lipids causes skin disease and eczema. The long-term deficiency of lipid causes breakdown of the stored protein and body loses its weight. On the other hand, too much of lipid disturbs the blood circulation of the body. Okay, let's see what are the SW for your next day. What is food? What is nutrition? Write main functions of food. Write the sources of carbohydrates. Why lipids are important for our body. That was our science class from chapter 1. So far as today, all the best. See you again. Allah Hafiz.